Can terrorism make Pakistan beat India? Many people ask, can Pakistan win a war against India by using terrorism? Today we look at facts, not opinions. Big picture, armies, money and nukes. First, look at size and money. India spends far more on its military and has a much larger armed force. India's defense budget and force size are much bigger than Pakistan's. India has also modernized many weapons in recent years. Second, both countries have nuclear weapons. Independent estimates put India's and Pakistan's warhead totals in roughly the same range, hundreds of warheads each, which makes any full war extremely risky. What terrorism can do and what it cannot do. Terrorism and proxy attacks can cause real harm. They can kill civilians, damage buildings and create fear. They can also force political costs and make life very hard for people in border areas. But terrorism is not the same as winning a conventional war. Armies fight with tanks, jets, ships and big logistics. Terror groups cannot hold land or defeat a nation's army in open battle. They can only add to chaos or slow things down. Deterrence and international response. When a country uses terrorism as a tool, it risks strong responses, military, economic and diplomatic, from the other country and from the world. Large-scale attacks or an attempt to change borders can trigger a major military reaction. Also, nuclear weapons make both countries cautious, lead us fear escalation into something no one wants. History and lessons. History shows proxy attacks have caused pain and trouble, but they did not let one side win a full war. Conflict stayed limited or moved to military clashes and diplomatic talks. Over time, using terrorism has often harmed the users politically and diplomatically. So, can Pakistan win a war against India with the help of terrorism? The short answer, no. Not in the sense of a clear military victory. Terrorism can cause damage and political pain, but it can't replace conventional military power, national economies, and nuclear deterrence. A full victory would require much more than attacks and would risk large-scale war that hurts everyone. Conflicts by terrorism bring suffering, not real victory. The safer path for both countries is diplomacy, rule of law, and conflict prevention. Thank you for watching. Share to spread calm, not fear.